Presenting the ultimate $1,000 gaming beast in 2024. Get ready to level up. First up, the Intel i5 13600K. This chip is a powerhouse for multitasking and gaming. Pair it with the NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti for buttery smooth graphics on high settings. 16 GB of DDR4 RAM will keep your games running without a hitch. And storage? A 1TB NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast load times. The B660 motherboard offers great connectivity and future-proofing. All this is kept cool by a reliable air cooler so you can game for hours. Powering it all is a 650W Gold PSU, ensuring efficiency and stability. And the cherry on top? A sleek RGB lit case that looks as good as it performs. All this for just $1,000. Ready to upgrade your gaming experience? And don't forget to subscribe for more epic PC content.